All right, FreightWaves. Let's start off with a quick question. Who here loves email? Anyone an email nerd like me? No? I didn't think so. And it's because email, if you think about it, really wasn't designed for carrier and broker communication, yet 3PLs and brokers are all running their businesses on top of it, right? And so it's gotta make you think, there's gotta be a better way to manage all of this inbox craziness. Well, my name is Andersen. I lead the solutions team at Front, and I'm excited to walk you through our product today. Front is a shared mailbox platform that's used and trusted by over 500 3PLs globally to deliver exceptional customer service to their clients. Now, you can see here, Front may look and feel a whole lot like Outlook, but there's a number of critical differences. We've got powerful automation, we've got team collaboration, and we have analytics all right in your inbox. It's really everything a 3PL needs from a communication standpoint to stay competitive, especially in a soft market like we're in today. Now on the left-hand side, you're gonna see our workspaces. The top is where you're gonna manage your individual work email, and the team section over here is where you're gonna manage and tackle what I call the distribution chaos problem. You know this problem. I have a lot of distribution lists. Everyone is on every single distribution list. We've got to reply all. And now you're going on a week vacation and come back and your inbox has 10,000 emails waiting there for you, right? Now, the scary thing is that's not even an exaggeration. And that's the problem that Front is looking to address. We want to consolidate all those duplicate copies into just one email. That's one email that we're looking at right here that everyone has visibility into, that everyone can access, and that everyone can collaborate on top of. So let's see how this works. I've gotten an email here. I can see it's from Final Production, and I know Cindy on my team is responsible as the account owner. I'm actually going to assign this conversation directly to Cindy. And just like that, every single conversation has an assignee, and everyone knows everyone who is accountable for it. So ultimately, when it comes to replying and getting replies from your customers, what we know here is that instead of distributing and notifying everyone about every single message, instead of that, we're actually just bumping this conversation up just for Cindy, unless she's out of office, in which case we'll actually bring it back into the unassigned inbox here for the team to triage. So gone are the days of having to have everyone on every single conversation. Instead, with Front, your leads, your managers, your leaders are all gonna have complete visibility into all the conversations that happen there. If you're like any of our 3PL customers, you also know that internal handoffs is how your business is run. And that's exactly what's happening here, right? We've got a load, we need to pass it over to the operations team, and so Front makes collaborating with other teams extremely easy. I've added a comment, and I've also added a mention to bring Ash, the operations manager, directly into the conversation. Just like that. And by leaving this comment, I'm gonna bring Ash directly into the conversation, and once I'm done, I can simply drag and drop the conversation over to the operations inbox. I don't need to forward, I don't need to create any more email, and it's no hassle for me and or for my customer. On top of that, Front is also gonna bring the entire context of the conversation over to the operations team so they have all of that information and can move forward without missing a beat. So I've moved it, I've gotten to inbox 0, yay. But where did it go? You have to think like an operations person. They're all about efficiency. And so what they've done is they've implemented Front rules to automate and route the conversation directly to the right person. So instead of having somebody staff there manually triaging every single message, which arguably isn't the best use of their time, they're focused on moving conversations forward. You can route conversations by keywords, by account owners, really any type of criteria that you're looking for, Front can probably do. Now we got to reply to this customer, right? There's a lot of data that your team leverages, and that data can live across any number of key systems. Well, what if I told you there was a way that your team can get access to all that information without leaving their inbox? Well, it wouldn't be a good demo if I said Front couldn't do it, right? So with Front, we are built as a connected system. So whether it's integrating with Highway so you can know if you're talking with a bad actor who might be trying to steal your load, or building a custom window into your back office solution or a custom TMS, that's exactly what Front can do. It can provide you with no-code and code-based solutions to bring context to your team. Now in this market that we find ourselves in, finding the right balance between efficiency and customer experience is really challenging. And when you think about it, where is your customer experience happening today? It's all happening inside of your inbox, yet it's untapped, you're not learning from it, and you don't really have any insight. And that's where Front is really trying to change the game. We want to make sure that you have access to business critical, experience critical insights and service that up directly to you. If you want to know when's the busiest time of the day across the whole year, who on your team is an absolute rock star, and who on your team might need a little bit more coaching, that's what Front aims to bring to you. Now, there's a lot more that Front can do, but I don't have a lot of time on this stage. So what I'm going to leave you with is just a quick question, really a thought experiment. How are you going to improve your business if you're not measuring it? All right. Well, if you're interested in learning more, our booth is over at K10. Please stop by, say hello, or find someone with a Front shirt. We're happy to talk to you. We'd love to learn more about your business. Again, my name is Andersen. It's been a pleasure. You've been a great audience, and enjoy the rest of the conference, and I'll see you out there. Thanks.